Hi guys, my name is Mohammed Shehzad and you are watching my YouTube channel Skill Set with Shehzad. One of another subscriber, he sent me a message and said, I want to know about uh, static routing, but kindly use more than 2 routers for the static routing, so I can understand very well, because I have a requirement also. I said, okay, no problem, let's go and create that. So we'll create one switch in this side and we'll put 2 PCs, 1 and 2. Okay, and we will go another switch, our router. Let's go. We'll go first router, then we'll go second router, then we will go third router, and as he said, this is the 4th router. And then we'll put one switch here, and then we'll put 2 PCs here. Okay, so let's connect them. Okay, let's connect them. I'll go with this to this, this to this, this to this, and then again this to this, and then again this to this, and again this to this, and again this to this, and this to this. Okay, these 2 links are, this is fast and this is gigabit. I will delete and add again this one and this one without gigabit 1. We'll connect with gigabit 0, and again we'll connect gigabit 1 with gigabit 0. Okay, so we have a gigabit in. Okay, in this switch you can see we have 4 routers, we have 2 branches. I'll make the branch A and branch B so you guys can understand easily. It's a branch A, and we have another branch B. Okay, so here we have 4 routers, R1, R2, R1, R2, R3, and R4. We have 4 routers, and we will create a static routing. Okay, let's make here, this network is belong to 192.168.call 20.0/24 network, and this is called 192.168.10/0/24 on the site A side, and this is our site B. Okay, these are the networks. So we will have here the gateway 192.168.10.2254, and here gateway will be 192.168.20.254. I'll use the last IP address of the range for this gateway, and here for this gateway. Okay, let's give the IP for this guy, 192.168.10.1, and this one will be 192.168.10.2, This one will be 192.168.20.1. This one will be 192.168.20.2. okay, so let's see. First come first, we'll configure this guy, configure, and we will go 192.168.10.1, and the gateway will be 254, and this PC will be second 2 and 254. okay, similarly here this PC will be 20.1 254 gateway. Similarly here 20.2 and 254. okay, so let's see if these can ping each other. I'll go on 2 and see IP config ping 192.168.20.1. okay, it's pinging, and in this side also they are pinging to each other. IP config is 1, will ping 10.2 192.168.10.2. okay, they are pinging, but if we ping their gateway it will not, because we haven't configured the gateway on the router side yet. okay, let's go on this router R1. no, enable conf t hostname R1 interface gigabit 0/0/0 IP address 192.168.10.254 255.255.255.0. no shut, and it will up, right. And similarly on this side we will go here, no, enable conf t hostname R4, we are on R4 interface. This side also gigabit 0001 interface gigabit 0/0/1 IP address 192.168.20.254 255.255.255.0. no shut, exit, and right. okay, we'll see here in this side these guys can ping their gateway. ping 192.168.10.254. yes, they can ping their gateway. And similarly on this side we'll see if this guy can ping his gateway. okay, it can also ping and reply is coming. so ping, when you go a ping and reply is coming, it means it's reachable. okay, let's see how we can make these guys to reach on the other side. okay, you know that hop to hop we have a different network, then it will work. so we will go for here, we'll create 10.10.1.0/24. here we will go 10.10.2.0/24. in between we'll go 10.10.3.0/24. okay, so it means in this port IP will be 10.10.1.1, and in this port will be 10.2, sorry, 10.10.10.1.2. Okay, and here will be 2.1, and here will be 2.2, and here will be 3.1, and here will be 3.2. So these are the IPs and these are the port numbers. These are the IPs and these are the port numbers. Okay, we can bring it up. This one, in this port we will configure this, in this port we will configure this, in this port we will configure this. Okay, similarly here, router 3, in this port we will configure here, in this port we will configure here, and I will bring it here. Okay, so these are the different networks. So let's go configure on this switch. Okay, on T interface gigabit 0/0/0 IP address. We'll configure this IP, the 3 one, 10.10.3.2 0, no shut, exit, and write. Okay, we'll go this computer, this router, sorry, and here no enable conf T, host name is R3, this one. Okay, conf T interface gigabit 0/0/0/1, sorry, 1. IP address is 10.10.3.1 255.255.255.0. no shut, it's up, and we'll configure this side also, gigabit 0/0/0 0/0/0/0 enter IP address 10.10.2.2 255.255.0, no shut, because we configure this area, right ma'am. This router also done. We'll go on this router and we'll no enable conf T, host name is R2, interface gigabit 0/0/1, IP address is 10.10.2.1 255.255.0, no shut, and I will do this side also, interface gigabit 0/0/0 IP address 10.10.1.2 255.255.255.0, no shut, exit, right, and then we will go this guy. In this we'll configure gigabit 0/0/1, IP address is 10.10.1.1, no shut, exit, right memory. Okay, so we have all configured, everything is green, so we gave the IP addresses, everything. Right now all the ranges with the routers. Okay, so let's see if it is pinging. Of course not, it will not. 3, I can see if 3 can ping this 10 computer. Our other side, it's his own address. We'll go for 1. Because both 21 and 2 is here. Let's ping the other side. 10.1 destination host unreachable, 10.2 destination host unreachable. So it's similar. Okay, let's go for static routing now. I will go on this computer. I will say IP route network 192.168.10.0. Mask is this. Okay. The next hop, you can, if somebody asks from this area 20, this guy is asking for 10.1, just pass the traffic to this guy, this address 10.10.3.1. okay, enter into the routing table. So we added one static route, show routing route. So we have added one static route here. Okay, and let's go to this guy. We'll say IP route 192.168.10.0 255.255.255.0. We are on router 3 and we're asking go to this guy, give it to this guy 10.10.2.1. enter. Show IP route. We have added a route here as well. Let's go to router 2 and we'll ask this guy IP route 192.168.10.0. this network subnet is 255.255.255.0. you should give this packet to this guy 1.1. okay, there is static route is added. Okay, now this guy is already attached with 192.168.10.255. if you see, we'll go this guy, it's already directly connected. Show IP route, it is already directly connected with 10. okay, so no need to ask this one. Let's go try this one again, this guy, and ping the one again if it is what is saying. Before what saying destination host unreachable, not see the new message. Now the message is changed. Before was destination host unreachable, now requested timeout. Okay, because the packet is went but didn't came back. Nobody knows about this guy 20. We told them the routing table, the 10 is this side, but we didn't tell reverse. If this one gonna send acknowledgement to this one, how it will go. So that's why packet came and discarded, because reverse route is not there. If you see from here, from this guy, if I ping to the other side, ping 192.168.20.1, it will say destination host unreachable. It's not saying the requested timeout, because this router said I don't have any information in my table regarding 20.1, this 20 network. If we see his table, it doesn't have any entry here, so we'll put a static route. IP route 192.168.20.0 255.255.255.0. you give to this guy 10.10.1, 10.10.1.2. Give this guy, enter. Now we have a static route here. Okay, right. Now we'll go this guy and we will say conf t IP route 192.168.20.0 255.255.255.0. give it to this guy 2.2. okay, exit, write memory. Okay, now this guy will ask if you have a route IP route 192.168.20.0 255.255.255.0. give it to this guy 10.10.3.2. enter. Okay, now no need to tell this guy because it's already connected directly. Like this one is connected directly to 10 network. This is already connected to 20.20 network. So if we see, this guy have both entries. See, it has a 10 network static route and it has a directly connected 20. So let's see if we can ping now from here to the other side of any PC. Before it was saying request a timeout. Now see, it's pinging now. So this is called static route, static routing. We have to go both ways, vice versa. We have to tell manually all the routers that static route is. Let's see, it can now ping to the other way. Now it's pinging to the other side. It will. See, the reply is there. It's pinging. So now the routers know the route, static routes and entries. So that's why they can ping. Okay guys, you got the lab. You learned the static routing with 4 routers today. And hopefully you enjoyed my video. And if you like my video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. You can share your scenarios, your labs, your projects, network projects. If you want to get my services for I'm doing online projects also for the networks and like campus networks and any kind of networks. You can consult with me, reach out with me on my main page channel. I have my mobile number. It's with the WhatsApp. And stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.